from Evansville, Indiana, weighing in at 315 pounds, Lightning Leo. And their opponents, first, from Vancouver, British Columbia, weighing in at 220 pounds, Tank Williams. And his partner, from the fifth dimension, weighing in at 283 pounds, LEW.
The tag team action here. Oh, clothesline.
Oh, what a chop block.
Harsh. It backslide out of nowhere.
Belly-to-belly suplex.
Clothesline.
Great tag teams. We can go all the way back to teams like the Tolos brothers, Stevens and Patterson, Stevens and Bockwinkel, the Texas Outlaws, the Briscoes, the Blackjacks, the Andersons, and the list goes on and on. When you're part of a tag team, the two partners have to travel together, train together, eat together, and be completely in sync with one another.
Can you believe this? Tag team competition dates back all the way to the early 1900s. Corey, you mentioned some of the classic duos from sports entertainment's incredible history. In today's WWE, the tag team scene has never been more competitive. I don't know who has the edge when it comes to talent, if it's Raw or SmackDown Live. I think it's too close to call, but all the teams truly think and act as one unit.
I agree, Michael. Teams such as the Usos, American Alpha, Anderson and Gallows, The New Day, the Hardy Boys, Cesaro and Sheamus.
Oh, and he makes the tag.
That was a game changer right there, Michael.
Beautiful senton. Oh, the old head scissor. Goodness, what an impactful STO.
But is it enough to end it?
Let me tell you.
Oh, it's over. In off the tag. Tagged in.
He's starting to tire. It appears his opponent has his number right now.
Why he's still in the match at this point is beyond me, guys. Maybe he forgot it's a tag team match. I don't know. There's got to be some explanation.
Oh, but if you're counting him out now, you haven't been paying attention. He has more resolve than just about anybody on the roster.
What a stomp. Good grief. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
Nailed it. Oh, he's such a tough target. Oh, and he dodges out of the way.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
You gotta believe this one's over. I don't know how much more of this he can take. And I'm not sure he even knows where he is. That's over at this point.
You hate to give up on a guy, but there may be no way around him taking this loss here tonight.
Oh, nasty impact.
This might be it. Oh, my. He's looking at it. Two huge German suplexes.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Oh, that
letting down the hatches.
Face buster.
This one is over.
Let's take another look at that.
Michael, that was amazing.
And a pin attempt. And that's it. This one is over. And here's another quick look at those superstars in action in that tag team battle.
He ain't playing here. And I always enjoy watching him perform.
Here are your winners and the new WWE Tag Team Headhunter and Lightning Leo.
Without even breaking a sweat, this one is over.
Anytime you can pick up a win inside a WWE ring, you have something to be extremely proud of.
And the crowd here tonight still in awe over that great match.